The Backlash Premium Live event featured Tonga Loa's debut, which is the latest addition to the Bloodline. While Paul Heyman is trying to keep things under control, it appears Rikishi doesn't rule out replacing Heyman in the Bloodline. While speaking on his podcast Rikishi Fatu Off the Top, Rikishi was asked about the prospect of replacing Heyman within the Bloodline. Rikishi stated that he could foresee such a move and made it clear he doesn't rule out that happening in the future. Check it. Damn it, every time I keep trying to leave myself out, you guys keep trying to pull me back in. And of course, I'm not saying no, I won't. What I'm saying is, hey, I'll see it coming a mile away and I'll know when it's time for me to throw my name in the hat. At the end of the day, we are gonna make sure that this is gonna be an even playing field for the Bloodline on both sides. We'll have to wait and see whether Rikishi will end up replacing Paul Heyman as the wise man of the Bloodline, which might eventually lead to a Bloodline civil war somewhere down the line.